Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you all a giveaway that I won. I won this off of Facebook in an Erin Condren group that I'm in. So let's take a look. I got to pick out a weekly planner and the cover, basically personalize it. So I'm excited, let's take a look. It's so pretty. Let me take it out of the box. So here she is. I wanted the gold coil. I like that it has a detachable ruler. That's cool. And then I love the gradient from blue to pink. And then I had my name put on it. I really like the gold foil. That's why I chose the gold coil. I think that's super cute. You open it up. You can write on with like a marker on here. This is cute and also has gold foil. This is super cute. So this is the first time that they actually have the theme of Hello Kitty on the inside of the planners, which is amazing. Here you see the months from July 2024 to December 2025. So that's cute to have it at a glance. And then you have this page and you can write your goals down. And then the very first month is January and it's Hello Kitty. And then you have like a little notes page. And there she is. Really cute. So it's focused on the good. And here is what the month layout looks like. And then it has the grid, and you can do like a to-do list and another notes page. She looks so cute. I like that it's positioned differently. Then the end of December, the beginning of January. Here's the rest of the month for the weeks. Really pretty color. So here is February, a little notes page with cinnamon roll. It says follow your dreams. Here's what the month looks like. I really like the pink. Then you have where you can write notes down. Same layout. I really like the color. So for each of them, I noticed it does have like the end of the month for the weeks in it, and then it starts off with a new month, which is fine. That's cool. And then we go into March. This is Hiromi. And then here's what the month looks like. I like that they include the little holidays. Here's that layout. Here she is. And then here's the rest of February, and then March starts. And then here's April. My Melody. She's so cute. I love the purple and the way that it looks. Super cute. Here is May. I like that the characters, I think I already said that, they're positioned differently, which I really like. It's not like repetitive where they look the same and that's just it. I love the blue. And here is June. I love the color of this. Super pretty. And then we go into Hello Kitty for July. And then August. And then that's how the calendar looks like. Here's September. This so reminds me of my husband. He likes this character. And then we go into October. My Melody, and she's different quote. I like it's not repetitive. This is cute. This little guy. Here is December. I like that they're positioned differently with different quotes, like I said. I really like this color. And then once we get to the back, it has like a little notes section. All the characters are on there. Well, the characters that are featured in this one. Then we have Heritage and Awareness, Observance. Then Let's Keep in Touch. Then Some Months for 2026. So here is the very back, which is the stickers. And they are in gold foil. Super cute. I like the to-do. The little trackers. It's super cute. I like the happy birthday. That's cute. The ice cream is cute. I really like the happy birthday. Then you have these. This is cute. And then the last is like a little folder on the front and back. Then you can write on the back of this with a marker. And then they have these. So like little, you might use these as bookmarks. And then they have this booklet that comes with all the planners. And so I've heard. This is the first time that I get a planner like this, so this is cool. So in January, it has all the months and you can put important dates. This is cute. And then contacts, if you really wanted it. Holidays and dates. That's cool. That's cool that they give this. So I like that. I like the little folders, the little pockets. So here she is. here is everything that I won. I really like that the ruler is detachable. And I like all the little extras that this planner came with. This is the first time I've owned an Erin Condren planner, and I'm so glad that I won it. This is super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.